What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 5150 Greenville Garage, and today we're going to be working on this here 2010 Chevy Malibu. I guess it threw a code, a PO496. It says it was a purge solenoid, possibly. It has a rough idle. She put gas in the car and it had a rough time starting, and it was kind of stalling out. And doing a little research online, it seems like this is the most common problem for those symptoms and that code. So we're gonna change that right now, and let's go ahead and go under the hood. So once we pop the hood, right in the back left side on the passenger side here is the evap solenoid purge valve. It's right located here. So first thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and take this little cover off. We'll unscrew this cap. We'll pop this off. And we can pop this one off. Right in the middle here, there's a little tab, a little suction, that whatever you want to call it. It's right off, and now we can see here is our. So you can see it right here. This is what we're taking off. So we'll go ahead. We're gonna get some better lighting, and we will be right back. All right, so here you can see we got it located. We have the clip on the bottom that we have to unplug. We also have a 10mm nut. We could use just a ratchet with the socket. And here's our new part. This is part number PV480. So, and this is what it looks like here. So we just kind of match it up. So that kind of goes just like that. So we'll go ahead, we're gonna pull this one off. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead, let's get this 10mm, undo our clip. So that just pulls right off. Make sure you don't lose it. We'll go ahead and set it right up here. Let's take a look here. So you gotta get this white clip in here. You gotta push that thing. I don't know if you can see it, but you push it. Push it all the way to the side. Just like that, and then you pop it off, okay? Just like that. So on the back side, I don't know, it's really hard to see. Since I can't show you, there's actually a clip underneath. Let's see what we got a picture right here. Right underneath this, there's like a little tab just on the bottom of it. You can feel it if you rub your finger down alongside of it. There's just like a little tab that pops up. So what you do is you pull the line in, so you push this line inward, and then you could actually move that tab down, and then it should release the hose. So what you do is when you pull it towards it, there's this little tab right underneath it. See that I'm moving my thumb down, see how it opens? So you just pop that down and it pops right off. Alright, so now that we got our solenoid out, we got our new one. Let's check it out. They look the same to me. Same plug-in, so now we just do the reverse order that we just did. So remember, the last one we took out was this one. Okay. And the plug-in went on the bottom. So we'll go ahead and push that on until it clicks. I don't know if you heard it click, but it clicked. So next step, we'll go ahead and push the top one on until it clicks. Just like that. We'll put our plug-in back on. I don't know if you can see, just inspect your wires here to make sure they're not frayed and open. All right, now we get our 10mm bolt. It goes right in the old hole here. Remember, always start it by hand. All right, nice and snug, not too tight. Clip it down here. It's got a little suction here that goes right in the little spigot. Push that thing down until it clip. These ones got little sucker pads, and they go on down here. Put your cap back on. Simple as that. Let's take a look down here. Everything looks good. We'll go ahead and fire it up. Make sure it runs like it's supposed to. There it is. There's Lainey, check her out. She was being my camera girl here. As you can see, car fired right up. It was having some hesitations firing up earlier. And I sat in it, had a little shimmy and a shake. So, a little smoother. It was having this little shake, but it's not too bad right now. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's how to change the evap purge solenoid on the 2010 Chevy Malibu. I would give this, on a scale of 1 to 10 difficulty, it being maybe a 3. Just because taking the lines off is a little tricky, but not hard at all. Anybody can do it. The error code on that was a PO496 and had a rough idle, had a hard time starting after a fresh tank of gas. So all signs were pointing to the old evap purge solenoid. So for $29.99, might as well, right? Alright, so I'm gonna get this car out of the garage and I will see you guys on the next video.